to blur a part of a video in Capcut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut and import your video. After your video is imported, click on Effects at the bottom. After you click on Effects, click on Blur in here. After you have added the blur effect, press on the tick mark. Now, click on Overlay at the bottom. After you click on the overlay, you will find all your images, which is your photos from your gallery. Simply add the same video. After you've added the same video, click on the video in the timeline, and then at the bottom scroll to the left, and then search for mask. Click on mask. In here, select the shape you want. I've selected rectangle. Now, what you can do is click on invert at the bottom left corner of your screen and then drag the part anywhere you want the blur to be. This is how to blur a part of a video in Capcut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.